big breaking news coming in from France. Bloquons tout or block everything. That's the name of the protest that is happening all across France today. It was expected to be a huge protest, and it is turning out to be one, as protests have erupted in various cities in France. But precautionary measures were taken and over 200 people were arrested. But the visuals that you are seeing now, these are the visuals of city of Paris, where people have taken to the roads, and France is bracing itself for acts of sabotage. This protest was called Bloquons tout, or block everything. And the idea was to bring the country to a standstill. This is a protest called by the extreme left-leaning people of the country. You see on the streets of Paris, people on the streets there fighting with the security forces. Although right now, almost 80,000 security personnel are stationed all across France, but the expectation is that almost 1 lakh people might get onto the streets of France. Now, joining us now for more on this is India Today Global's Pranay Upadhyay. Pranay, another country, another population disillusioned with their government and sick of the growing economic disparity and social inequality. What is fueling this rage in France?
Largely the financial policies, the fiscal management, and we have seen that, how France had to, the French parliament removed yet another prime minister, like he's the 4th prime minister in last 3 years. So there have been a turbulent politics in France. There has been a history of violent and such protest in France. We have seen a few years ago also when the social policy was changed by the government. People protested it and very violently they protested. And this lockdown protest, or block everything out. This is the name given to this protest. It was well announced. I think the security forces of France were prepared, but still there are clashes, there are scenes, and around 200 people have been rounded out by the security forces.
Right.
There in Paris and other cities of France.
Right. Thank you, Pranay, for all those details.